Finding a dining table that actually fits a smaller space without feeling like a cramped afterthought is surprisingly tough. Most options are either massive behemoths that swallow the room whole, or tiny, flimsy things that shake the moment you try to cut a steak. That is where this 39-inch round table from Little Tree comes into play, aiming to strike that elusive balance between cozy charm and actual, everyday usability. At just under 40 inches in diameter, it sits in a real sweet spot. It is compact enough to tuck into a sunny kitchen nook or a tight apartment dining area, yet spacious enough that you can actually sit 4 people down for dinner without knocking elbows every time someone reaches for the salt. The height is standard, right around 29.5 inches, which feels natural with most standard dining chairs. What really catches the eye, though, is the base. Instead of the usual 4 legs at the corners, which always seem to get in the way of your knees, this one uses a chunky, X-shaped pedestal design. It gives the table a distinct farmhouse character, but more importantly, it makes sliding in and out of your seat incredibly easy. The dark brown finish has a rustic, textured wood grain look that brings a lot of warmth to a room. Honestly, it looks far more expensive than it actually is. Now here is the thing to keep in mind. The tabletop is made of engineered wood, about an inch thick. While it feels solid and has a nice heft to it, the whole thing weighs about 56 pounds, so it is not going to slide around easily. It is not solid hardwood. It holds up well to daily wear and resists stains, but you will probably want to use coasters for hot mugs or sweaty glasses just to keep that finish looking pristine over the years. Putting it together is pretty straightforward. The parts are clearly marked, and the instructions actually make sense. Because of the weight, having a second pair of hands to help flip it over once the base is attached is a smart move. If you need a heavy-duty, heirloom-quality solid oak piece, this might not be it. But for anyone wanting a stylish, stable, and space-friendly hub for meals, game nights, or even a casual workspace, this little round table punches well above its weight class.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.